What if your car could feel cleaner, smarter, more comfortable, and even a little futuristic without buying a new one? And trust me, some of these are the kind of gadgets that make you wonder, why didn't my car come with this already? So, let's get started. Ever open your car door and discover dust hiding in places you didn't even know existed? The high-tech Vortex 2 blasts compressed air deep into vents, seams, carpets, and hard-to-reach areas, helping push out dirt and grime fast. Instead of spending forever brushing every tiny corner, this tool gives you powerful airflow right where you need it. It's especially useful for serious detailing and keeping interiors looking professionally cleaned. You can even use it around exterior areas where dirt loves to hide. For anyone who takes car cleaning seriously, this thing turns a boring chore into a much faster job. Trying to balance your phone somewhere on the dashboard while driving? Yeah, we've all seen that disaster waiting to happen. This adjustable cup holder phone mount uses a long gooseneck arm to position your phone exactly where you need it. The flexible design makes it useful for navigation, hands-free calls, or simply keeping your screen visible. Instead of blocking your windshield or taking up valuable dashboard space, it stays securely anchored in the cup holder. The adjustable arm also makes it easier to find a comfortable viewing position. It's simple, practical, and takes almost no effort to install. Dropped your keys between the seat and the center console? Congratulations, you've just started a full-scale rescue mission. This LED car seat gap organizer helps fill that annoying space while giving you extra storage for everyday items. The integrated 56-watt charging capability also adds convenient power for compatible devices. Instead of letting coins, phones, cables, and other small items disappear into the seat gap, you get a dedicated place to keep them. The compact design helps make your cabin feel more organized and less cluttered. Need to work, eat, or use your laptop while traveling? The QRabbit steering wheel tray turns your vehicle into a surprisingly practical mobile workspace. Its adjustable design is made for larger SUVs, trucks, and vans, giving you a convenient surface for compatible tasks when the vehicle is safely parked. The tray can also be useful for meals, paperwork, or organizing your gear during road trips. Its portable design makes it easy to store when you're finished. For people who spend hours traveling for work, this can add a whole new level of convenience. Cleaning the underside of your vehicle can feel like trying to wash a submarine with a garden hose. The Tool Daily Undercarriage Cleaner is designed to make that job much easier by directing water underneath your car. Its 16-inch design helps reach difficult areas where road salt, mud, dirt, and grime can build up. It can be used with compatible pressure washing or garden hose setups depending on the configuration. This makes it especially useful after muddy drives, winter weather, or messy road conditions. Keeping the underside cleaner can also make routine vehicle maintenance easier. Long road trips can turn a comfortable seat into a serious neck-cramping machine. The RoadPal adjustable headrest pillow provides additional support around the head and neck area for passengers and drivers when used appropriately. Its adjustable design helps accommodate different seating positions and travel preferences. It's particularly useful during long journeys when you're spending hours inside the vehicle. The added support can make resting during breaks or passenger travel more comfortable. Its compact design also means it doesn't take up much room when not needed. Ever parked in your garage and wondered, am I far enough in, or did I just kiss the wall? The Fosmon Dual Laser Parking Guide is designed to help you position your vehicle more consistently. Adjustable laser guides can provide visual reference points, helping you stop in the same place each time. That can be especially useful in tight garages where every inch matters. The system includes adjustable positioning and backup power features for added convenience. Instead of relying entirely on guesswork, you get a simple visual parking reference. It can also help reduce the daily stress of squeezing into a limited space. If you travel with a dog, you already know the back seat can become a combination of fur, dirt, muddy paws, and mystery crumbs. This waterproof dog car seat cover is designed to create a protective barrier between your pet and the vehicle interior. Its hard bottom support helps provide a more stable surface, while the waterproof construction helps protect against spills and messes. It's useful for road trips, vet visits, outdoor adventures, or everyday pet transportation. Instead of constantly worrying about cleaning the seats, you can simply remove and clean the cover. Want that glossy, freshly detailed look without dragging around a giant polishing machine? The BATOCA S5 Cordless Mini Polisher is designed for smaller automotive polishing and finishing jobs. Its compact form makes it easier to work around tighter areas and individual sections of the vehicle. The cordless design also gives you more freedom to move around the car without constantly managing a power cable. Depending on the appropriate pad and product, it can be useful for polishing and finishing different surfaces. It's especially appealing to DIY detailers who want more control over small jobs. Backseat passengers have one universal problem. Their phone battery is always at 1%. The OHLPRO charging station is designed to give passengers a convenient place to charge compatible devices while traveling. Its retractable design helps keep charging cables and accessories more organized. It can be attached around the headrest area and is designed with rideshare and family travel in mind. That makes it especially useful for long trips or vehicles carrying multiple passengers. A roadside emergency can happen at the worst possible time, especially when visibility is poor. These rechargeable LED emergency lights provide a compact way to increase your vehicle's visibility when you're stopped in an unsafe or low-light situation. USB-C charging makes them convenient to recharge between uses, while the bright LED design helps draw attention to your location. They can be useful during breakdowns, roadside stops, or other situations where additional visibility is needed. Their compact size also makes them easy to keep in your emergency kit or vehicle storage area. Got a small dent that looks like your car lost an argument with a shopping cart? This Paintless dent repair kit is designed to help DIY users tackle certain dents without immediately heading to a body shop. It includes tools such as a glue gun, T-bar puller, dent lifter, glue tabs, and a line board system to help inspect the affected area. The LED board can make surface imperfections easier to see while working. With the right technique and a suitable dent, it can provide a more affordable repair option. Of course, not every dent is suitable for DIY repair, so knowing the limits of the damage matters. A damaged side mirror is more than an annoying cosmetic problem. It can affect your visibility on the road. This heated replacement mirror is designed for compatible Cadillac, Chevrolet, and GMC vehicles from specific model years. The convex exterior mirror provides a wider field of view, while the heated feature can help with certain weather-related visibility issues when properly connected. It's aimed at replacing a damaged or worn driver's side mirror, rather than adding another accessory to your dashboard. The exact vehicle fitment is important, so always verify compatibility before purchasing. Want your dashboard to feel a little more futuristic? This digital GPS HUD projects important driving information right where you can see it, helping you keep your eyes focused ahead. The large font display shows speed and GPS-related information in an easy-to-read format, while automatic brightness adjustment helps keep the screen visible in different lighting conditions. Its USB plug-and-play design makes setup simple, without complicated installation. It's a great option for drivers who want useful information without constantly looking down at the instrument cluster. Compact, practical, and surprisingly futuristic, it's a small upgrade that can make your daily drives feel much smarter. And finally, this one turns the back of your vehicle into a mini entertainment zone. The 17.3-inch flip-down monitor features a large display designed for compatible video sources, with support for connections such as HDMI, USB, SD, and other inputs depending on the setup. The wide TFT screen provides a much larger viewing area for passengers during long journeys. Its automatic brightness adjustment can help the display adapt to changing cabin conditions. For families taking long road trips, a larger rear entertainment screen can make the miles feel a lot shorter. Which one would you actually put in your car? Drop your favorite in the comments. And if you enjoyed discovering these clever upgrades, hit like, subscribe to Tools Inspector, and turn on notifications for more smart gadgets and useful gear. Until next time, drive safe, keep your car clean, and keep discovering smarter ways to make every drive better.